Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: a working microphone and Word 2016 open. Plug in or enable your headset, then set that device as the default in sound settings. Once done, turn on Windows speech recognition in Control Panel or use your headset microphone. This primes the system to capture voice with minimal lag. Now place the cursor where you want text and make sure the document is saved so auto recovery works. This prevents lost work while you speak. You now activate dictation. Click the Home tab and press the Dictate button. Word shows a microphone icon when listening. Speak naturally, enunciating punctuation words such as period, comma, new line. This tells Word how to format text. If Word misses words or underperforms, make sure noise suppression isn't overly aggressive and adjust input volume in sound settings. Once you pause, the microphone may stop. Simply click Dictate again to resume. Remember to speak in short phrases when editing complex sentences to reduce errors. Finish by editing with a mix of voice and keyboard. You can select last sentence, then dictate the correction, or press Ctrl+Z to undo. Save the document often and run a quick read-through in review to catch punctuation or homophone errors. Manual fixes are faster than redictating long passages. If dictation stops working, make sure Word has microphone permission in Windows privacy settings, update or reinstall audio drivers, and restart Word or your PC. Most issues resolve after a restart. One quick tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.